welcome to our evening nighttime routine as a family of 5. And as a mom, this is my favorite time in the day as there is no running around to get the kids ready for school. This is basically how we slow down, unwind, and get ready for the night. So, a typical evening in our home starts as soon as the kids get back from school. They get picked up around 4, and by the time they get home, it's almost 4:30. And usually they take food to school and also get fed really well at school. But sometimes I leave their lunch in the microwave. So basically, I just head into the kitchen to fix dinner, and I just put on some candles. This just helps a lot with unwinding, like giving us that very nice cozy feel, for the evening. And basically, before dinner, of course, before you make anything, you want to go ahead and wash your hands. And for dinner, I'm going to be making baked chicken and salad. This is usually what I always come up with days I can't kind of figure out what to cook. Like sometimes I get so blank, like I can't even think of anything. So of course, you guys know salad is very healthy, and we usually just love to have it with some baked chicken. And of course, you can go ahead and season up or spice your chicken the way you want it. I love to go in with some chicken cubes or chicken stock, some adobo seasoning, some dry pepper, some thyme, some onion powder. You can just go ahead and season your chicken or spice your chicken the way you want it. But one major ingredient we always love in our baked chicken is some barbecue sauce. Like if you watch my cooking videos, you guys already know we absolutely love barbecue chicken. So what I usually do is to go in with some barbecue sauce, just put it, mix it all together, and just get my what is it called, my baking tray, spray some olive oil on the baking tray. This will actually make the chicken not to stick to the pan or to the foil, as you all can see. So basically, I just go in, use my hand to marinate, put the chicken on the tray, and just toss it right into the microwave, into the oven. Okay, so while the chicken is baking, it's time to go ahead and grab my vegetables. I'm using the vegetables I'm using for the salad. I just get them from the refrigerator, and by this time, guys, it's probably maybe around 6 o'clock or 6:30. 6 o'clock, and you guys can see the twins. They always love to come and join me in the kitchen, and for some reason, I don't know what they did to Ace. Mr. Ace was really crying. But this is the time the kids come and join me in the kitchen, so that while I'm making dinner, we can also work on their schoolwork, or they call it their schoolwork, but of course it's their homework or their assignments, excuse me, guys. So basically they just run things by me, things that are not clear for them while doing their schoolwork. They can run it by me, and I just help them out. And also by now, actually, today was Tuesday, so hubby always kind of branch off to Tuesday Bible study on his way from work. So he wasn't kind of present right now, but of course you guys are still gonna see him towards the end of the video. But I just go ahead, and you guys can see what is going on here. Mr. Ace, as I'm peeling the carrots, he's just going ahead to play with the carrots or eat the carrots, which one he wants to do. And also, while I'm kind of in the kitchen cooking, I love to keep myself busy with maybe some podcast or some kind of news going on in Nigeria. I love to listen to this guy on YouTube, Adam's Link. He's kind of my plug when it comes to knowing all the gist or all the things going on in Nigeria. I just love to listen to him, just put my phone on and just listen to him while making dinner. So of course, I went ahead and peeled up the carrots, the cucumber, and over here I kind of love having a little bit of onion in my salad. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut up some onion. Of course, everything has to be washed and then, sliced or cut up the way you want it. And also for my cucumber, I love to use this side of the grater to just grate it, and also with my carrots. So as a Nigerian, you guys know this is not our typical salad, but honestly, salads can be prepared in so many ways. I actually learned this one from my mother-in-law. She would just cut up everything, add them in a bowl, and it always comes out very, very delicious. So while I'm making the salad, I just go ahead and check if the chicken is ready, and by now the chicken is ready. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and finish up with the salad. And to make my salad, guys, I love to cut up some carrots, cucumber, onion, green pepper, spinach, and also lettuce. Like when it comes to salad, it all depends on the sizes you want to cut them up, and also like the arrangement, right? But with this one right here, you don't even need to do much. Like with the spinach, I'm just, as you all can see, I'm just sprinkling it on top of the other vegetables the way it is. And honestly, what actually makes it so delicious is also the dressing. Once you have a very good salad dressing, you would notice that, you know, this salad, like if you make your salad this way, it would always come out very, very good. And also, if you want to add maybe some eggs on it, you can also go ahead and do it. And as you all can see, while I'm making dinner, I'm also going ahead to help the girls, you know, wherever they are kind of confused, I go ahead and help them out. And then over here, just because for some reason I just feel like the lettuce always needs a lot more care, so I love to go in with some cooking vinegar, just sprinkle it on it, wash it very well, and then add it up into the bowl. And once I do that, I just go ahead and just add whatever it is I want to in terms of the what is it called? Like if there's any other thing I want to add to my salad, I love to go in with some sweet corn and also some, what are those red things? Raisins. Are those raisins? I think. And once the salad is ready, I just get another bowl and just mix up the one like we are eating for the day, because sometimes we don't end up finishing the whole salad. So as you all can see, food is ready. We have the baked chicken and also the salad, and this is so delicious, guys. So I always tell the twins to put their book aside and have dinner, but sometimes you catch them, you know, eating and also doing their schoolwork. I always tell them not to do that, because sometimes they might have an accident and end up maybe spilling some food on their schoolwork, you know, which is not good. So yeah, we're just, you know, just relaxing, having our dinner. And I think Angel is done with her schoolwork. Angelique is the one left. But yeah, we just love to take this time, just have our dinner and just, you know, have a quiet family time on the kitchen island. Sometimes we use the dining, sometimes we just, you know, use the table. And of course, Mr. Ace also, he likes his salad, but salad is not really feeling for him. So sometimes I just end up making his baby food for him, just to kind of substitute it with the salad. What time is it? It's time for bathing, guys. So the twins are gonna, you know, head onto the bathroom to have a quick night shower. And while they're having their shower, I just take the time to kind of clean out the kitchen, because by the time I'm done, especially days where I make salad, guys, the whole kitchen always looks a mess, like with the vegetables and everything going on. But yeah, I just basically load up my dishwasher, guys. I absolutely now enjoy dishwashers. Like, oh my gosh, guys, within this weekend I just used dishwasher like on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the past weekend before this week. Now, you know, I used my washing machine, and for some reason I just started enjoying using washing machine. So I said washing machine, dishwasher, come on, oh my gosh. But yeah, I just go ahead and load up my dishwasher, you know, have it do the dishes for me. Oh my gosh, that was so helpful. I absolutely hate doing dishes, especially when I have a lot of little spoons, because of the twins and, you know, the baby. We always have a lot of like small cutleries inside the dishes. So basically I just go ahead and load up my dishwasher with some Cascade dishwashing pod, and while the dishwasher is going on, I just go ahead and just clean out my kitchen sink. I don't have a good night's sleep whenever I know my kitchen is a mess. And also, you know, you want to go ahead and always make sure you keep your kitchen clean, because the kitchen is always one of the first places to like attract maybe ants or roaches and all those things, and you don't want that, you know, in your home. So I always spend time just clean my countertop, because sometimes I might be cooking and there might be like spots of oil, or you know, there's always something with, you know, the kitchen. So yeah, I just take my time, clean out the countertop, the microwave, the refrigerator. Just make sure everywhere is nice and clean. And please, you guys, kindly hit that like button below if you're enjoying this video, because you know, just that like button helps us a lot. So the weather was pleasantly good this day, guys. Like today's weather was so good. I think we were in the 60s or 70s. You guys know we're still in spring, and during spring it's kind of, you get a mixture of the cold and the hot, but today was just so nice and warm. And you know, with Ace, I usually don't bathe him every single night because of the fact that our weather is always cold. So you know, you don't want him to kind of get a cold. So but tonight it was kind of, you know, pleasantly hot tonight, so I decided to just give him a very quick shower. And over here we're already done with bathing, and I'm just going ahead to moisturize him. I love to use Aveeno product for Ace. Like, I'm always, you know, open to try baby products. If you have any baby kind of lotion or shower gel or anything, just let me know, because I just love to kind of try out things and see what works for us. But for Ace, I absolutely love using Aveeno for right now for him. And also for his face, we love to use Bbq, because of the fact that Ace had an acne prone skin. When he was born, he had a severe acne breakout. So for some reason, you know, we tried out the Bbq on his face, and they helped get rid of, you know, his acne. So ever since then, we've been using Bbq for his face. And yeah, I will just go ahead and get him ready for the night, put on his onesie, his diaper, and you know, just get him ready. Oh my gosh, guys, this son of mine is a handful, because even though I make sure his hair is always very hydrated and moisturized before brushing, we still always end up fighting. And just like combing Ace's hair, guys, getting him to sleep used to be a war. Like, we literally have to fight and fight and fight, and sometimes I even end up sleeping while trying to get him to sleep. But I'm so thankful for this app we recently discovered. It's the Mental Tracker app, guys. This is an AI-driven sleep tracker that helps you go to sleep faster. It tracks your sleep, records your snoring, and can easily dictate any sleep apnea risks, which is a sleep disorder where your breathing stops and starts while sleeping. And I personally, you guys, like, I'm so happy and I'm so thankful for this particular app, guys, because you know, as a parent, like, we wake up so early in the morning to get the kids ready for school. We just run, you know, we run our life all day long, and once it's time for sleep, you want to be able to get a quality night rest. So this right here is not just meant for kids, it's also meant for adults. So for me personally, I love the fact that I can set my go to sleep time. For me, I always set it to 10:30. So once it's 10:30, the alarm comes on, and you know, with this app, you're able to choose whatever it is, like the quality of sleep you want to kind of have for the night. It also, I love the fact that it has this kind of button whereby you select, like, if you're tired, if you're drunk, if you're like, it gives you a lot of options, you know, to be able to enable you get the best quality sleep you need. And another thing I absolutely love about this app is the fact that it provides more than 500 soothing sounds, meditation, and other music for you and your kids to fall asleep faster. You can definitely check the link in my description box to get your mental tracker and start your sleep improvement journey today, guys. so by now Ace is already off to sleep, all thanks to the Mental Tracker app, guys, because that app, it just helps me a lot. Once I go ahead and put on the music, turn down the lights, Ace is already like off to sleep, guys. So basically, once he's off to sleep, we just, get ready, like get the girls ready. I always love to go ahead and get their laundry, because I try as much as possible like to make sure their laundry are fresh, for school. So I just bring up whatever laundry I did for them, and they just kind of pick out their school uniform, and also whatever laundry is left, like their home laundry, they just quickly go ahead and what is it called? They quickly go ahead and fold it, or sometimes they don't even, have the time to fold the clothes they use in the house. They just bring out their school uniform. I always make sure they do this themselves. Like, they are up to the age where they have to have some responsibilities. So that, I always allow them to get their school things ready, in the night. So in the morning, it's always going to be very, very easy for them to go to get ready for school. All right. So right before bed, we also love to kind of read a little bit of Bible story. This is the perfect time. We just read about like what happened in the Bible. This Bible story is just so good, guys. Like, you have to check it out if you're a Christian and you just want your kids to really, really learn like all the things that happened in the Bible. It's very, very easy. It just simplifies everything for them. All right, so once we are done with reading for that night, the kids head on to sleep. I tuck them in and they go off to sleep. And then for me, this is the time probably by now, I think I made a mistake with the time I gave when I was getting Ace ready for sleep. Ace went to sleep like around after 9, and the kids went to sleep like around 10. All right, so by now it's probably like 10:05 or something, and this is the time I have to do my skincare. I have to bathe, do my skincare, and just get ready for the night. And also by now, hubby of course is already back. So with him, he also sometimes we have our bathe together. Sometimes he bathes while probably if I'm doing something else, he might probably bathe before me, but today he bathed before me. So right now I'm just I just took my bath, I'm doing my skincare. And another thing is, as a woman, you guys know we spend a lot of time in the bathroom with skincare. So while I'm in the bathroom, he always, especially for tonight, guys, like we are recently just coming off of I don't know if I would say a viral sickness or something. So we always love to kind of have some very hot tea. And with the tea, hubby just loves to make it with some hot water, some tea bag, honey, and also lemon. Like, this tea is very, very good, especially like when you have cold, like kind of stuck on your throat. Lemon is so good, ginger is so good, and also honey. So he just he's an expert with this with this tea. So I always kind of tell him, sweetie, are you gonna make us tea? And he just quickly makes like this tea, probably 2 minutes at most, you're done with it. And while he is getting us the tea in the kitchen, I then go ahead to the living room to look for a movie we can watch. We kind of like to spend maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes while the kids are off to bed. We just love to relax and just kind of talk about the day, what happened in the day, and all those things. But surprisingly, this night, that our cable company, that we forgot, they had sent us a message earlier in the day that they are going to be working on their service or whatever for that night. So unfortunately, Netflix wasn't on, but we just sat up a little bit, drank our tea, and also kind of he had to gist me, of course, what happened at Bible study, because he's the head of the media department. So this is like the time we just used to gist and just get on, like just kind of share what happened in the day. Of course, nothing was happening, nothing was coming on YouTube, nothing, Netflix, nothing, but we just sat down, had our tea, and then it was time to go ahead and retire to bed. Once in bed, I always love to go ahead and set up my mental tracker app, because like I told you guys, we use it, the babies use it. And yep, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.